If you've ever tried to source a product from Alibaba or get quotes from suppliers, you know how hard and how brain dead and how long it can take to send a request for a quote to literally every single supplier. You gotta scroll through all the products, click the button, type out your thing, send it off, and it can take you like literally hours. So what we're gonna do in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can literally send your request for a quote to all the suppliers at the same time in a single minute. Don't be the 99% of people that never take action. Your empire awaits. What's up, Empire Builders? I'm JT Franco, and if you're new here, this channel is all about sharing my experiences in business and in life, success and in failure, so that you can take from them to build your very own empire. So if it's something you want to do, make sure you subscribe, click that bell notification, and hit that like button for me right now. And what I'm gonna do for you, I'm gonna go ahead and save you hours of time trying to get quotes from your suppliers. So where we are right now is Alibaba.com, right? And this is where you're looking for products. So let's just go ahead and type something in, right? So let's go recent search succulent plant. So let's say we're looking for these succulent plants. So the first quick tip, if you don't know already, the first thing it's gonna sort by is products. So as you scroll down, you're gonna see all these different succulent plants, right? By product. But what you can do, and usually what I tell everyone to do, is just sort by supplier. The reason for that is because you'll see here, there's 22,961 products. But if you sort by supplier, you're gonna see there's only 1,400 suppliers. And that's the reason for that is because a lot of the products listed under products are listed by the same supplier. So sometimes what you're gonna do, you're gonna click contact supplier or chat now, right? You click this, let's just say that you click contact supplier. It's gonna pop that up, you're gonna type your thing, you're gonna send it off, right? That'll take you a few seconds. Then you click it again, you click it again, you click it again, and you realize that you clicked it 4 times, you sent 4 things, but it was the same supplier every single time, right? Because they're listing multiple products. So what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and click supplier, so that saves you time right there. And the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna notice there's this little button right here. It says favorites. Now there's two types of favorites. There's a favorite supplier, and then there's a favorite product, right? So the favorite product is gonna be on right here. It's gonna be the heart. As you hover over the picture, you see the heart. So that's where you find favorite product. But as we go back to suppliers, this is the trick that's gonna literally save you hours. Because like I said, when you're trying to contact suppliers, you gotta click the button, type your message. Even if you copy and paste your message, how much is it for 500 units? How much is it for blah, blah, blah? All these different questions you're gonna ask them. You're gonna go through this list of literally 1,400 suppliers, right? At least if you're finding them that are selling the similar product. So instead of doing that, okay, all you gotta do is if you see a supplier that you think looks good, and of course always look into the supplier, if it's Sunwing Industries, click into them. Then you can look at their stuff, you can see, the satisfied reviews, how big are they, when were they established. You can kind of go through the entire supplier profile here. Make sure it's a good supplier, or you can just go ahead and bomb through them all. But if you want to go ahead and move forward with the supplier and ask for a quote, right, all you gotta do is check this out. Click favorites, confirm it once this little pop-up comes up. Right, okay. You can also, by the way, to save time, if you did decide to click into them, if you go in here, you can press the favorite button right at the top. So it's kind of hidden up here, but the favorite button is also right here. So it's the same thing, right? The star on the right side, or once you click into it, it's the heart. So let's go ahead and click favorites on all these. All right, let's just keep on going down the list. Keep on going. This is way faster than pressing contact supplier every time, right? So let's say we have a list of 6 now. So what you're gonna do, now that you have your list of favorites, you're gonna go to your Alibaba favorites section, right? And you're gonna go to favorite supplier. And you're gonna see all suppliers here that you have added. So it'll take you literally 30 seconds to add 100 suppliers. You just click, 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 right? And then now, instead of contact supplier every single time, all you have to do is click select all, contact supplier, and boom, you can send literally all the suppliers a single message and they will all get the same thing. You just gotta do it once and you are done, as opposed to doing it 100 times over. So there you go. There's my quick little hack for you to save time, literally hours, by just doing it through the favorites. Another thing about the cool thing about the favorites is you can create groups, right? So if you wanted to say these people are, you've talked to them, they've responded to you, you've gone through, and now these are the suppliers that are actually going to send you a sample. So now you've narrowed it down to a few suppliers that you might want to get a sample from, or a few suppliers that have responded to you and that have talked to you. You can now do that, click them off, right? So your first thing you have to do is create a new group. So let's just say plant sample round, or whatever. I don't know. You can make whatever thing you want up, right? Confirm that. And then all you gotta do is once these guys are clicked, you go move to plant sample round. And you know now exactly what stage of your suppliers are, because if any of you have ever tried to use Alibaba before to do this, you know that you're gonna have literally 50, 60 suppliers you're contacting, seeing which ones are getting quotes from, you know, where you're at with each different one, and then you can move them over. Or what I actually use this mostly for is my group called, like I'll use it depending on where I'm talking to them, I'll go Skype, right? So I like to move suppliers off of Alibaba because Alibaba is not the greatest place to contact or to talk to suppliers. Skype is usually easier, or WhatsApp or WeChat. So I'll go these ones. If I'm talking to them somewhere else, then I'll go ahead and move to Skype. Right, so when I'm on Skype and I'm talking to suppliers, I can go back to Alibaba. Okay, where is this? What the quote sent me? There's the picture. This is the supplier that I was talking to, and I'm talking to these guys on Skype. So you have 50 suppliers for one product, and you know exactly these ones are for Skype, these ones are on WhatsApp, these ones are on WeChat, these are the quotes they gave me, this is the original contact, and this is their supplier page. So that is the quick little hack that's going to save you a lot of time, keep you super organized when you're sourcing products so that you can continue to kill it on Amazon. So if you like that, again, don't forget to click that like button for me. And also, if you want to learn more about Amazon FBA and go deeper into the entire process from start to finish and how to build a 6-figure brand in less than a year, then make sure you join my free training. Link below. Also link it right up there for you so you can click that and join that while spots are available, because it does fill up fast and I will be taking it down very, very soon. So make sure you sign up for that while you still can. Or if you just want more YouTube videos, click that video right over there. Click my face to subscribe and click the bottom right corner to go ahead and join that masterclass again while it's still up. I'm JT Franco, and don't forget, your empire awaits. See you later.